Alright guys, welcome. So today I'd like to show you the web application that I designed and I'm still designing because this application right here is in the production stage. I'm still designing it. It's about 70 to 80% ready. Okay, so this is Attendance Pro app, smart attendance tracking system. Okay, so we have I designed it just to help organizations make their work easier, staff members, just to make their work easier, by taking attendance easily without stress. Okay, so this smart attendance tracking system, we have QR code based, is QR code based, geolocation verified, real-time monitoring, offline support. Okay, so you can see right here it's showing online because I'm actually online. Okay, when my device is not online, when it's offline, it will show offline. Okay, and when it's offline, you can still take attendance. Okay, so when you're online, it will actually take all the data, to take the attendance, and then take it to the admin section. Okay, so that the admin will actually know that you have clocked in. Okay, so everything is automatic, real-time monitoring as well. Okay, so right here we have QR code scanning, location verification, okay, real-time dashboard, offline support, assisted clocking. Of course, can assist your friend to clock in, okay, as long as it's within the organization. So secure and compliance. All right, so how it works: register and log in, create your account or log in with your credentials, scan QR code, scan the QR code displayed at your workplace entrance. Okay, the QR code will be generated by the admin. Location check, system verifies you are within organization premises. Okay, so it's not just scanning QR code, it also verifies if you're within your organization. Okay, if you're not within your organization, you'll not be able to clock in or clock out. Okay, so you must be within your organization, then you can actually scan the QR code and then clock in. All right, so attendance recorded, your attendance is recorded in real time on the dashboard, so the admin will now see that you have actually clocked in or clocked out. Okay, all right, so that is the footer. So let me take you, this is the registration page. This is the registration page. Of course, you have to enter your employee ID, full name, email address. Okay, this employee and the registration page. And if you have registered, of course you can sign in here. You can sign in, use or enter your credentials. Okay, you can actually still back to the home page from here. Okay, so let's log in. Do a quick one. So I'm logging in as admin, so I can show you the other parts. So this is so I entered my password. Okay, so I click on sign in. So having clicked on sign in, it will sign me in. Okay, so this is the dashboard. So you can just see it's just this is the, like I said, this web application is in the production stage. Okay, so I just clocked one person in. So this go over to reports. So here we have different we have about 6 options here. We have daily attendance reports, weekly summary, monthly reports, and department analysis, employee performance, late arrivals report. Okay, and then we have generate reports, preview, schedule. Of course, you can actually click any of, if you want weekly summary, you click on weekly summary, and then you generate report here. Okay, click on weekly summary. You want monthly reports, you want departmental analysis, and so on. Okay, you can actually schedule reports. Okay, you enter this field and then you click save schedule. Okay, all right, so that's the reports. We have QR code manager. Okay, so here you can generate QR code from here. Okay, and then here too. All right, so these are the various options here for QR code manager. And then we go over to settings. Go over to set. Just a second. Set. All right, so these are various options. So we have general settings, we have attendance rules, we have because this notification now it's to be debugged, right? So we have attendance rules, notification, security, backup, and restore system info. All right, so for general settings we have different options. Organization information, you can put the name of your organization here. Okay, put the name of your organization there, and then the address. Okay, this will be used during the clock in and clock out sessions. Okay, without this info, you will not, the staff will not be able to, staff members will not be able to clock in or clock out. So you as the admin, you have to fill this section. Okay, so we have to contact phone, website, and so on. Geolocation setting, this is very important. Okay, so geolocation setting, it will actually detect if the staff is within the organization. Okay, if the staff is away from the school or company premises, that staff will not be able to log in, to clock in or clock out. Okay, the latitude, longitude, this is very important. And then allowed radius meters, this whole section very important to fill. Okay, and when you're done filling these fields, you click on save changes. Okay, so you go over to attendance rules. All right, attendance rules. From start time, when should they start coming in, like from what time to what time? From what time should a staff resume, and what time should it be counted as late? Staff came late. Okay, so start time, end time. Okay, like you start from 8 a.m. and you close by 4 p.m. Okay, so the working days, we have Mondays, Tuesdays. If organization does not work on Friday, or there's some certain days that your organization wouldn't be open, you select. Okay, select those days. All right, then late arrival policy. Late arrival policy, of course, you fill this field. Overtime settings, you fill this field as well. And then when you're done, you click on what? Save changes. Okay, or if you want to reset, you click this reset button. Okay, everything will go back as usual, normal. Okay, so notifications, email notifications, send daily clock in reminders, send late arrival alert to managers, send absence alert. So all these options, if you don't want any of them, you just uncheck. If you want these ones, you want to send absence alert, you check it. Okay, reminder time 8:30 a.m. anytime you want to be reminded by this software, you will set it from this section. Okay, then push notification, very important. Notification templates, here's notification templates. Okay, so you just have to use it, put your info, and then you click save changes or reset if you don't want that. Then security, very important. Okay, security is very important in everything. Session timeout 30 minutes, or if you want, you can increase it or decrease it. Maximum login attempt. Okay, for a staff to log in, what's the maximum login attempt? You can either reduce it to 2 or reduce to increase it to what, to 6, 7, depends. Okay, password policy requires strong passwords, very important. You want to check this. Okay, enable password expiry 90 days. Okay, and then QR code security, fill that section as well. IP security, fill that section as well. Okay, if you want extra security on this on this software for your organization. Okay, so when you're done, is click on save changes. So backup and restore, auto backup schedule. Okay, backup, that's backup the data. Data exports, you click this, use this section for data export and system logs. Okay, if you want to download the logs, you click this section, this button. Then if you want to clear logs, you also click this button to clear logs. Okay, then finally go to system info. Okay, system info, last updated, this section you go through it, memory usage, CPU usage, and then of course this side is danger zone. These actions are irreversible, so proceed with caution. Right, so this one is for this very is a delicate part of the software. Okay, so you might want to use it with caution. Switch to user view. Of course, from admin you can also switch to user view, and then you can also log out from here. Okay, so let me switch to user view so that I can see the other parts of this application, or the user interface is. I just showed you the admin section. Okay, all right, so here is the interface for all staff, all users. So you can see clock in, you click on clock in, scan QR code first. Okay, of course you cannot clock out because you have not clocked in. Okay, so you have to scan QR code. You can see it's telling me not clocked in, red. So when I'm clocked in, it will show what, green. Okay, then here you can also assist colleague, employee ID, clock in, just enter the employee ID, and then if you that is assisting your friend, if you're within the organization, then you are able to what, clock in or clock out. Okay, if your friend is within the organization, the company premises. Okay, all right, so system administrator. All right, of course I enter this section from the system administrator. Okay, using that system administrator credentials. All right, so this is how the web application works. This is how it is. So let me log out. Thank you very much. Like I said, this web application is still in the production stage, and I'll wrap it up soon. I'm still building it. You can take a look at all right, so that will be all right. So thank you very much for taking out the time to view this application. I appreciate your time. Thank you.